In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Hope you will be fine. My name is Tahira Rubab, roll number 009 from MSCS first semester in University of Sialkot. Today, I'm going to present Just-in-Mind prototyping tool. Here some features are of Just-in-Mind prototyping tool. The first one is Just-in-Mind is a prototyping and all-in-one wireframe platform specially designed for users who want to realize ideas but don't have the technical expertise to use a complex platform. Second one is it has a drag and drop interface that enables users to get started with the templates and modify them to fit their requirements easily. The next one is user can preview their outcome or ideas on different platforms such as iOS, Android and various web browsers. The next one is the platform comes with user interface kits which allow users to design beautiful interfaces and function UI prototypes. The next one is Just-in-Mind also cover transitions, animations, gestures and more for interactive designing. Simulation of ideas can also be made more realistic with the aid of data tables, dynamic behavior and smartphones. Next, some screenshots for proper understanding of using the Just-in-Mind prototyping tool. Here first of all we have to download it and then install in our laptop. Then we can start with a new. The next one is selecting devices. We can select this device for designing. We can select web or Android. Then we have select prototyping from where we from prototyping start. Here we choose empty Android app. Next one, dragging images. Here functionality of dragging images and drag and drop different functionals for interactive designing. Next we can add another screen while using prototyping design in same screen. The next one is linking facility. Linking is the most important facility for any design. Sharing facility. Just-in-Mind has very important sharing facility for sharing interfaces, designs, for feedback, taking feedbacks for others for better in designing. Next point is pricing plans. Just-in-Mind pricing is available in the following plans. Basically it is free trial. Next we have to pay for use it professionally or enterprisely. $29 per professional we have to pay and $49 for enterprise. Some advantages of Just-in-Mind are: the first one is its comprehensive list of tools for creating prototypes. Just-in-Mind included different tools for comprehensive prototyping here. Next one is support to creation of codeless wireframe design. It support codeless engine designing, sharing of wireless and getting feedback. The next point is wireless wireframe sharings for taking feedbacks from different users. Reviewer management. Next one is iOS packages. Next one is smart form and data grids. Or the most important is it is cost effective. Disadvantages are it will be bad prototype tool if user have no sense of human computer interaction. The very important point for using it that the user have the sense of human computer interaction. If he does not, then he can't make best prototyping design. No practice will become it not attractive. If a user has no practice, then he can't make design properly. Thank you.